When information is buried in files or scattered across systems, your team is left guessing. And that uncertainty at the point of repair leads to delays, miscommunication, and extended downtime. Introducing the asset-specific knowledge base AI agent from DreamzCMMS, a smart, on-demand assistant built right into the mobile app. With a quick scan of a QR code or manual asset selection, technicians get instant, accurate guidance tailored to the equipment in question. Just type or speak an issue like "motor not working," and the AI delivers actionable insights pulled directly from the asset's documentation. Not only that, you can raise a support ticket in seconds, complete with asset details, location, photos, and a structured summary. No paperwork, no manual follow-ups, just streamlined communication and faster resolutions. The result? Faster maintenance response times, reduced equipment downtime, and a complete digital audit trail, all while minimizing errors and reducing reliance on supervisors. DreamzCMMS, delivering intelligent support for every asset.